Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back. Today's video, we're going to go over JASMY. JASMY right now is trading at 0.01033. 24-hour volume, we are up 54%. Market cap, we are up 1.44%. Heading over to our chart here, we're going to start off on a day. We're going to go through different intervals of the time so we can be able to see the overall movement of the market for JASMY. So if we take a look closely on the day here, we have gone through the area of support of this trend line of coming up. We did, however, retrace all the way up to the 0.0108, which was a known resistance line itself for our fib. But however, you can see the actual candlestick itself was a spinning top candlestick as the advancement was coming up. We can see it through here as well, the body being very small. The wick itself is twice the size at the top and the bottom, and we can see the engulfing candle happened afterwards. So after the advancement, we see a spinning top. We have a warning sign that the uptrend may be over. And of course, we do see our RSI at 80 and 68%, not really considered to be overbought. However, with the spinning top candlestick and a lightening up color on our MACD, it did show us that weakness coming down, ultimately breaking through this trend line here. So as the price is coming up, we do see on a daily average, we are retracing down here, but the movement itself is still bullish. If we are going into more of a bullish trend or continuing this bullish trend, then price is going to come back up and wanting to try to break over this resistance line here at the 23% of the fib, this little node off to the side here of our volume indicator of 0.010616. So that's only if we are continuing this bull trend, we are going to come back up and retrace that on a daily average. So let's kind of take a look at the probability of that using different time frames. So here on the 4-hour chart, we can see we've sliced right through it as the moving average or the MACD indicator here indicated that it was the end of the bull trend. We can see right here that the histograms or these bars are getting smaller. Therefore, where was the price found? It was found near the trend line. When we see a reversal pattern happen, when it goes to a different trend to the current trend, depending if it's on a resistance line, it goes up. If it was a bull trend, a transition to, or in this case, it was near found the transition or trend line and it switched over to the bear market. So bam, broke through area of support. So I'm going to just erase this fib chart because what we are going to see is either retracements or we're going to come up again. So as the price here, we can see the RSI itself almost slightly touched here, indicating maybe a possible selling opportunity as the price may have been considered overbought. As price is coming down, we can see that our lines here for our RSI is 34 and 54%. So price is going to come back down, but you see that the momentum itself on the MACD is indicating that it's bullish right now. Okay. So that means that if price is found on a bullish trend and price is still coming down on the RSI, technically price is going to come back down. It's going to hold support. So price is most likely going to hold this support here. Oopsie, guys. So here, right here, if you guys can see the support of 0.010171 as price or as RSI is coming down, indicator is still showing that it's a bullish indicator. So again, price is going to be bouncing from here and price is going to be bouncing from resistance up here at 0.0105. If this changes and increases in size, we're going to break through this. Okay, we're going to break through the 23%. We can see it 23% and bouncing off closer to the 50% of our fib. Price is going to consolidate sideways. So long if we have an increase of our MACD, we're going to break through this resistance and retrace closer up to 0.0108. If we cross over to the bear side and we see that we're closer to 50%, we're going to come back down and retrace to this area here at 78%. 3-hour time frame, you guys, we're going to see the kind of the same thing, retracing downwards here, lighter color on our MACD as well. So going into 2-hour time frame, it's going to be very similar as well. We do see that the candlestick pattern bodies are very, very light. We can see Bollinger Bands squeezed in, but not as much. But the channel itself of the Bollinger Bands are very narrow, means lower volatility. Price is going to be found sideways, and that's what we're seeing right now. However, take a look at this, you guys. We do see the MACD line and the signal line coming together, so a possible crossover on the bear side, and we see in the 1 hour time frame crossover on the bear side already. So if we do see it on the 4 hour time frame of us lightening up on the color in the MACD, turning red, we're slicing right through this 50% of our fib and coming down to the 78%. So that's my update here for Jasmy. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to catch you again.